Let's learn colors and draw 3 cute ice creams. Keep watching. First, let's draw a big ice cream cone. Add 3 yummy scoops. Next, draw a little ice cream cone.
Kids, before you start watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might get a cute surprise.
This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 3, he played knick-knack on.
Now draw a yummy stick ice cream.
This old man came rolling home.
Add fun colorful stripes. Now add the cute face. Add colorful scoops and a cute face. Now let's color all our ice creams. Stick ice cream. Start with red.
This old man, he played 5, he played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 6, he played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 7, he played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 8, he played knick-knack on my
Then sky blue, yellow, again red, green, and pink.
rolling home.
Little ice cream cone. Now color the cone brown.
This old man, he played 9, he played knick-knack on my spine.
Large ice cream cone. Finally, color the cone brown.
Rolling home. This old man, he played 10, he played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Color the scoops with beautiful bright colors. Orange, blue, pink, green. Add bright colors to the scoops. Sky blue, orange, red, yellow, green, dark blue. Well, our cute ice creams are ready.